Let's insert some rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So we see here that there's not enough space between these A, B, and C1 categories and the A, B, and C, etc. under 3 and 4. So I want to increase my space there. So what I can do is I can go to number 2, for instance, and I can click Insert. And we see that it's going to insert rows, additional rows between the first column and now the 5th and 6th column. Another trick is, if we want to do more than just one, is we can highlight the amount of rows, in this case 3, and then right click and choose Insert, and now it does 3 at a time. And now we can even highlight even more than that if we want as well. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that just so I have a little bit less space there. Now let's say I want to add in some columns. So I'm going to highlight a column that you see here, right click and choose Insert. So you can see basically it just created a new letter I and inserted and moved it over. So let's do that once again. And we can see that I and J, everything just got moved over. So that way we have a little bit more space here as well in case we wanted to put something on this right-hand side. So that's how you insert rows and columns in Microsoft Excel.